Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to another Haggard Outdoor adventure. Today, I just got in the mail my new Molle military tactical outdoor backpack. I also got a few more pieces of gear in here I've been needing for a while, so let's check them out. Main compartment, another compartment right in here. Then on the sides, it's got detachable bags, as well as for the front right here. This will come off, and it came with a roll. I will go around a sleeping bag, and I also ordered a Vietnam era military sleeping bag, and it comes with a wool insert. It's got the straps that go across the front of your body. My new knife and sheath, and a hatchet with a sheath. We'll take another closer look at those. It's got locks, straps on the sides, hold everything in there real secure. I lost my other saw, so I got me this X Factor X stand. I think it is a 16 to 18 inch. Then I got my little bow drill kit. I want to do a little bow drill fire as well today. My jacket. It's actually been pretty warm the last few days. Nice weather. We're supposed to get a rainstorm soon though. I really like this bag. So here's the knife. It comes with a hard plastic sheath, belt strap. I will, of course, need to sharpen these. It comes with a piece of paracord on there. Looks like a real good knife. And I've really been needing some new knives. Little hatchet. Again, I'm gonna have to sharpen this. It's pretty sharp. It comes with a nice little plastic sheath. I'd like to get a leather one. And you can put that, you can wear that on your belt as well. This new 7-inch skinning knife. I like how it's a solid piece. And it is 440 stainless steel. Then we got this giant saw. We're gonna take this out and test this because we need some more stuff to finish my shoulder. I haven't been able to do it because I haven't had a saw. And it also goes on your belt. this is definitely a nice tool right here. Little pocket hatchet. So here it is, guys. That's my spring and summer bushcraft / bug out bag. I'm going to be using this when I come out on day hikes as well as solo overnighters. Here's the Vietnam era sleeping bag, and it straps to my Molle military bag.